team. Today we're going to go over a Turkish get-up. This is a great movement right now if you're at home, if you don't have many weights or many supplies at home to help get you through this awkward stay-at-home time. All you need for this is a shoe. I have a really light one, so it actually makes the exercise pretty tricky. I'm going to go through each of the movements while holding onto the shoe on my knuckle. If you've never tried it before, definitely try to find a coach or try to find someone to help you out through each movement, because there are a lot of tips and cues for each and every one. This exercise is great for shoulder stability, hip mobility, and shoulder mobility. So you're going to start on your back, bringing the shoe right on top of your knuckle. Make a nice fist. Extend your opposite arm and leg out. They should be about parallel. You're going to then press into your heel, press into your elbow, and come straight up at a diagonal. Stacking your shoulders, packing both of your shoulders away from your ears. And then you're going to come onto your hand, maybe slide it in a little bit closer, sit up nice and tall. And then you're going to lift your hips up, sweep your knee back so it's in line with your bottom hand. You're going to hinge, so I'm lowering my hip towards my heel. You're going to come to a nice upright position, square up, and stand with control. And then we'll reverse that, stepping back with the same foot. Open up so your knee and your heel are in one line. Hinge, hand comes to the ground. Eyes stay on the shoe. Hip comes straight down, sit up nice and tall, shoulder is packed. Lower onto your elbow, and with control, lowering onto your side and your back. Grabbing hold of your shoe, hopefully it didn't fall down. Give that a try, team. Go Tangelo.